Hey Austin, how's it going? So today, we're still on that mission, trying to find Jimmy. We will find him. We're heading towards New Hampshire this time. Like, I couldn't find him in our state, so we're going further away this time, but we're gonna find him, I promise you. I even got an extra set of eyes with me. Boop.
Hi, Austin.
So, as you can tell, we're both wearing sunglasses. We're in disguise. He won't notice us, just in case he's trying to evade us and like trying to hide from us. I know he won't tell it's us with our sunglasses on. So we're currently on the highway. We're taking the Jeep. I got another package in the mail. This actually came yesterday. I'm talking to the camera. Where? So Austin has sent me another package. These guys don't have to do this, but let's see what these guys got. I brought my trustworthy scissors just in case I can't break through this package. That doesn't seem to be too hard. And let me get the camera down on here. Hopefully it's catching it. Yeah, you can come next to me. How do you guys like this new camera thing? Does it work well for you? I kind of like it. Woo! Good thing I didn't use my trustworthy scissors. Because I could have potentially ruined something. Aww. Peter, aka Scooby, little gift for you from our visit to New Jersey. Hope you like it. I always like pictures. I bet you he misses the Jeep though. Maybe not. I like your bike, Austin. That's a really cool bike. Always smiling. I think blue is your favorite color, huh? You like blue. Blue looks good. Hey, bah. That's pretty cool. I got another Harley Davidson t-shirt. I can never get enough Harley Davidson t-shirts. Look at the back. It says Bergen County Harley Davidson. I think I pronounced that right. Bergen County Harley Davidson. Motorcycles Harley Davidson in Rochelle Park, New Jersey. I love it. I love Harley Davidson shirts. Once again, I can't see myself, so I think I'm aiming at it right. Thanks again. I do love Harley Davidson t-shirts, but I really do like the pictures. That's going to my collection. Way over there. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but that's where it is. But anyway, I really appreciate it, and I've got more videos coming for you. I did another one today. Yeah, I got another one today. Let's see if I can post it today. All right, buddy, I'll talk to you later. Thanks again. Love the t-shirts. Yeah, so we're taking the Jeep up to New Hampshire, and we're going to see if we can spot him. And if he is up there, he's not going to recognize us because of our sunglasses. That's for sure. we have reached our destination. We are in New Hampshire at Hampton Beach Seafood Festival. Let me show you. There's people from all over the continent down here. We have seen people from Canada, New Hampshire, Vermont, Colorado. I've even seen Colorado license plates. I think everybody's looking for Jimmie. Look at that Camaro. I don't know if you saw that, but that was a really cool Camaro. But we're gonna see if we can find Jimmie. Of course, we're gonna eat because it's supposedly they got really good seafood over here. We've had it before. I'll talk to you later, Jimmie. These fried Oreos are amazing. Sorry, Jimmie. Jimmie who? But Jimmie, I didn't forget about you. Where are you? Are you out there swimming? Jimmie, I got you, buddy. Where are you? If I see you, I'll go out there and rescue you. And still no Jimmie. But we're gonna find you, Jimmie. Oh, that was unexpected. We just decided to stop at the Harley Davidson dealership around the corner, and they have a live wire demo truck over there. Unfortunately, we couldn't ride it today, and they're setting it up for tomorrow. And I'm 2 hours away from home, and I gotta work tomorrow, so I'll have to catch it another day somewhere else, I guess. Maybe. But it was interesting to see.
One of my buddies test rode one, said the thing was friggin' fast.
Yeah, I've heard that they're fast.
How long do they go on a charge, though?
140 miles combined highway and city.
These are the new
Charge when it's out?
Well, depends.
battery Harley Davidsons.
DC charge it takes about, I want to say, just under an hour to get to 80%, and then the last 20%, the DC slows down, and it takes a half an hour to get from 80 to 100. But if you're at 80%, you can take off pretty much to get to where you need to go.
So how long can you go on a charge? You said I missed that.
140 miles combined.
140 miles, no kidding. Man, I wish we came up here tomorrow.
You can still come back tomorrow.
I work until like 5. and I live like 2 hours away.
Just try one.
Right, I'd want to try it just to see.
Tomorrow you might feel a little under the weather. I mean, I think
Yeah, you're not looking too good.
you don't look too good.
I'm not I'm not feeling well now, thank you. Look at these. Look at the colors. That's called a yellow fuse? So that's the yellow fuse, the orange fuse, and the black. So they say that these are really fast. And of course I'm not going to be here tomorrow to do a demo ride on these bikes.